much like so many others in the last decade, who've decided to start saying the quiet part out loud and not use dog whistles anymore, which is insulting to the dogs. But instead, we're going for foghorns. As Kayleigh McEnaney says that, you know what? You ought to get cracking. There is a reason why Republicans are threatening to take away birth control within the confines of your marriage. You need to produce more Judeo-Christian babies. Read White. Because those brown people, they're outbreeding you. You know what? Actually, that's correct. Because it's primarily been spoiled white people who have refused to protect themselves and anybody else during this pandemic. And COVID decreases men's sperm count and has caused an increase of 40% in miscarriages. That's not good, but it is fitting that the minority stay a minority and just lose the power they've lorded over everybody. Since if Jesus existed, he sure as heck was not a strawberry blonde with blue eyes.